Hello, our topic for today is how to change your desktop background or wallpaper. In using Windows 7, you can easily change the image you see on your desktop. This is called the desktop background or desktop wallpaper. So today, I will show you how you change your desktop background. So as you can see, this is our current desktop background. The nature, the bamboos. So we need to open the desktop background by clicking Start button and clicking the control panel. In the search box, we need to type the desktop background. And then click Enter. So under desktop background setting, we can see Home, System, Bluetooth and Devices, Network and Internet, Personalization, Application, Account, Time and Language, Gaming, Accessibility, Privacy and Security, and Windows Updates. So we need to choose Personalization. So we need to click, right click, and then under Personalization, there's a background, color, themes, dynamic lighting, lock screen, text input, start, taskbar, fonts, and device usage. So click background, double click, and then personalize your background. There's a 4 option here. If you want your background is picture, just click picture. If you want your background is solid color or color, just click solid color, slideshow, and Windows Spotlight. So let's see, picture. So ayan yung mag-a-appear sa inyong desktop background. And solid color, ayan naman yung mag-a-appear sa inyong background. So color. So slideshow. So kung gusto niyo pabago-bago yung mga images na makikita ninyo or wallpaper using slideshow, just click slideshow. Pwede nyong ilagay dyan yung mga family picture ninyo. Ayan, Windows Spotlight, yung mga scenery, natures, ayan. These are the example of Windows Spotlight. So let's choose picture first. So there's a recent images here. Pwede nyong gawing inyong wallpaper. If you don't like, there's another option here. Ayan. We need to choose a photo and browse photos. Click browse photos. And then let's go to picture. And then open the folder. Choose the picture and then click OK. Ayan. So, choose a fit for your desktop image. So, kung gusto niyo yung wallpaper niyo ay nasa center, you choose center, tile, stretch, fit, fill, and span. So, let's choose center. Then, choose your background color. So, there's are different colors here na pwede nyong pamilian. Kung ayaw nyo naman, there's another option. Just click the custom colors, view colors. Ayan. Pick a background color. Choose one only. This is customized color. Dark green. Ayan, indigo. Just choose dark green. Click OK. Ayan. Done. So, let's see kung nagbago yung ating Windows background or desktop background. So, we need to close. Just click close button in the upper part of your desktop. So, ayan, mag-a-appear na. Makikita nyo na agad kung yung ating desktop background. Naging Windows 11. So, kanina ay nature yung mga bamboos. So, there's another option pa para mapabilis ang inyong pagpapalitan desktop background. So, we need to click Window plus R. So, ayan. Lalabas yung run. Then, we need to type Control Desktop. Then, click OK. So, ayan. Desktop background setting is appeared. So, background, colors, themes, lighting, ayan. So, mas pinadali siya, mas pinabilis kung paano kayo makakapunta sa desktop background setting. So, yan lang for today's video. So, thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Bye!